Hi and welcome to a new tutorial in Fusion 360. I hope you're fine. I will explain to you in this episode how you can add the cylinder head here. Okay. To do all of this, you can just go to my channel and step by step, starting with the piston and other parts, to have this design. Okay, wait a sec. When you rotate now the crankshaft here, you have to see this movement of the pistons. Okay. To start, I will create another component here. To do that, go to assemble here, new component, or from new component here. Make sure this one is activated. Then you can rename this like cylinder head. Okay, then activate it. Press OK. For me, it's difficult to work like this. What I'm doing here, I hide all of this, or you can select all of these. I think you can use, yes, you can use a shift in Windows, then hide. Okay, then you can start your show the origin. Okay, once you show the origin, make sure the Z axis is here, the X axis is here, and the Y axis is here. Then we start in this plane. Select this plane and go to sketch. You can continue. Okay, then start with a rectangular. Start from here to this side. Okay, then what we have here, we have 604 millimeter. Switch with the tab in your keyboard and put here 145. I will add a caption to say exactly the dimensions here. Okay, thanks for all subscribers, then for your comments. That's helped me to improve the channel. Okay, now what I have to do here is to add an extrude. Select this, then I have just to activate tap angle here, angle with sorry for that, I can't see exactly the angle. The angle is 8 millimeter, 8 degree, sorry for this, and the distance we have 120 here, and you can press OK. The next step is to add line here. Okay, like a reference. Go to here and you can add axis here, but the problem, I'm looking for axis, but I can't find it. Okay, it's not a problem. I have just to add a point here. Go to sketch, select this surface and go to sketch, create a sketch, and rotate your model like this. As you can see, the X and Z axis are here. Then add a point, go to here, look for point, add a point here. The distance of this point, I'm looking for the distance, press D. The distance here, we have 36 here. And just stop the sketch. We need this point to add a reference plane. Use construction here. Then look for plane and add angle. As you can see here, tangent, plane and angle. I want to add it's not the same thing like SolidWorks. I will edit the sketch. Go to here, edit your sketch. To do it simple is just add line here. Okay. Verify your work. As you can see, from here to here we have 36. Stop your sketch, and now when you go to here for construction, you will find plane at angle. Okay, select it and go to this one, and now you can rotate it. As you can see, for me, I will rotate it looking from here. You have to see X here and Y here, and your plane, it will be like this. Okay, but the angle here is 168. Okay, then press OK. As you can see, we have now a plane here. I will select this and go to sketch. You have to rotate your model, or you can use slice. I want to use slice because here okay, then look at, but I have to show the plane. I need you here. Look at this one. Rotate your model like this and use starting with a line. Okay, it's not a problem when you start from here. Okay, just for make it like reference, I need sketches. I need the distance from here. Okay, make sure your reference is here. From here we have 75. Then I will add another okay, let me delete this distance. From here we have 97. Once you finish that, add another line here. Distance we have 30, and make sure I'm looking for coincidence midpoint. Let's see, midpoint, there you are. And we have a midpoint here. Slice to see what's going on there. You can hide this. Then we have the distance between this line and this one. There is a problem here because this one is not horizontal. Make sure that's horizontal or vertical. Then the distance from these and this one, I have to put 30 here. From here to here I have to put 30. Okay, step by step. We have the distance here. Here it's okay, here it's okay, and I have to add okay, I have a mark here, then the distance I have distance here 84. Then make sure that's the midpoint of this one. Okay, I will show something here. Visibility, it's not okay. The effect, environment, darking, photo, infinite pool. I think that's okay. We can see better. Let's see. Okay, I think that's good. Let's continue working on this. I have a line here, another here, then go to the arc and find arc using 3D like this and make it 38.5. Yes, that's okay. Then I will select it and go to the mirror. Use here the mirror line, then press OK. Now whole thing is alright here. Then I will select all of this one. I will repeat it using rectangular pattern. The distance, the direction is this one. For the X distance type, I will use spacing. Spacing is, we have 90 here. Then you repeat this 6 times. That's okay. Then use extrude cut. I will use extrude cut that you can got it. Can use extrude here, then select all of these profiles, and cut it with two minus 2.5. I think it's not okay because the extruded cut is 20, it's 21. Okay, that's good. Now I will create two circles here, one circle here. I have to hide the sketches. Don't forget to save your file. Saving here, then select this one, go to sketch, then add circles. We have one circle here, another here. Make them equal, select two of them and go to equals here. It's too difficult to work like that. I will rotate it, as you can see, and add some dimensions. We have 27 here. From the center we have 18. The same thing for this. Here, then the distance between because we have 2 points, I will tell you now if it's okay. It's not okay because in SolidWorks I did it from here. From here to here. Okay, then you can just use the where is it? Vertical between these. Whole thing is alright like this. Then you have just to make a cut here using how we show it, because I can't select it. Okay, the cut is -2. Okay, then add another circles here, looking for the center of this. We have 25. The same thing here. I put like this one and add the relation between these using this. Okay, once you finish this, I will add now another. I will stop the sketch because I will use the left. Okay, to do that, I will rotate your model like this and add a circle here. Go to sketch, use a circle, then I will you can change the visibility wireframe to find out the center of this one. Okay, it's not a problem. I will add a circle here with 45 in the diameters. Then the distance between this point and this point, okay, we have 87 on the center. Okay, then 40 from this point. Here, and let's try to make what I told you now is to use the left feature from here to here, but looking for from the side, from the start, make it directions. All thing is alright like this. Directions, all thing is alright like this. Okay. Validate your feature. I will do the same thing. I will show the circle and the circles here. Go to left feature. The profile, it's not this one, just this circle. Okay, then this one, look from the side to see what's happened there, make it direction and direction here. Whole thing is alright. Let's see now what we have. As you can see, we have a good result here. Then I will repeat this using modify the pattern faces, change the pattern type here to feature. Select all of these features. This one, only this one. Okay, the direction is this. Make it spacing here. Quantity is 6 here. The distance is 90. Price okay. As you can see, we have a nice result here. And the same thing to do that in the other side. Let's go to the plane here, offset plane. We have 72.5. Then go to the mirror line, mirror. Here you can select all of these features. Okay, the plan is this one. Press OK. Let's see the result. As you can see, you have a nice result here. See you in the next tutorial. We will add more detail about this cylinder head. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, I hope you will be in time to see this.